Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 21 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is vocabulary, right? So, let us see कि vocabulary में हमें क्या-क्या बताया जा रहा है, right? So, let's understand what they are telling us. So, they say vocabulary is all about words. The words in a language or a special set of words you are trying to learn. The vocabulary is all about words. यानी कि vocabulary का मतलब ही होता है बहुत सारे words एक साथ, right? The words in a language, words एक language में, right? और a special set of words या फिर words का एक special set you are trying to learn, जो आप याद करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, right? So, first of all, we have antonyms. What are these antonyms? Let us read and find out. So, a word having a contrary or an opposite meaning to another is called its antonym. तो antonyms क्या होते हैं? जो वर्ड्स मीनिंग में एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट होते हैं, राइट? उन्हीं वर्ड्स को हम एंटोनिम्स के नाम से जानते हैं. सो नाउ लेट अस begin with the words. Here we have some examples of antonyms. Let's see what they are telling us about antonyms. So here are some antonyms. Let's read them. Accept, refuse. Asleep, awake. Barren, fertile. Bright, dull. Clever, foolish. Conquer, surrender. Diligent, idle. Debtor, creditor. Eligible, ineligible. Early, late. Friendly, hostile. Fade, bloom. Giant, dwarf. Haste, delay. Knowledge, ignorance. Lend, borrow. Mature, immature. Absent, present. Admit, deny. Broad, narrow. Bind, lose. Confess, deny. Cheap, expensive. Deposit, withdraw. Difficult, easy. Empty, full. Enjoy, dislike. Forget, remember. Glad, sad. Gentle, rude. Harsh, easy. Keen, indifferent. Lenient, strict. Messy, neat. Right? So these were our antonyms, right? As you saw that all these words are actually opposite to each other in their meanings. Correct? Now moving ahead. Okay, we have some more examples for the antonyms only. Let's have a look on them again. Rigorous, simple. Success, failure. Tragedy, comedy. Wise, foolish. Reduce, increase. Top, bottom. wisdom, folly, wide, narrow. Correct? Now, moving ahead, we have synonyms, right? So, what are these synonyms now? Let us read them also. Synonyms are the words that have the same or almost the same meaning. तो synonyms कुछ ऐसे words हैं जिनका सेम या फिर बिल्कुल सेम ही मीनिंग होता है, राइट? ऐसे दो वर्ड्स जिनकी स्पेलिंग, प्रोनाउंसिएशन सब अलग है बट उनका मीनिंग एक ही होता है, राइट? सो here are some words that are synonyms. So they are abide, dwell, wait, affordable, cheap, inexpensive, beautiful, gorgeous, pretty, bear, suffer, cruel, merciless, or tyrant, dizzy, faint, or unsteady, esteem, honor, friendly, kind, or nice. Hear, listen, joyful, happy or pleased, oust, depose, perfect, complete, speak, talk, stable, lasting, tremble, heaver or shake, travel, journey, uphold, support, wealth, money, work, task, yet, however, or nevertheless, create, make, or invent, abandon, give up, or forsake, ample, enough, or sufficient, brave, courageous, or bold, convict, prisoner, delicious, yummy, or palatable, enjoy, like, or love, fresh, new, unused, gallant, braw, or valiant, illegal, unlawful, might, could, or may, opposite, reverse, or converse, rude, savage, or rough, seize, grasp, total, whole, or aggregate, trust, belief, usual, common, vacant, empty, wise, prudent, or sagacious, yield, produce, zigzag, oblique, राइट? सो ये वर्ड हैं जो हमारे सिनोनिम्स हैं, यानी कि इनके वर्ड्स, इनके स्पेलिंग सब डिफरेंट है बट इनका जो मीनिंग है वो टोटली सेम है, राइट? मूविंग अहेड, ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक दैट वी हैव इज होमोफोन्स. अब ये होमोफोन्स क्या होते हैं? लेट अस फाइंड आउट. सो अ होमोफोन is a word that is pronounced the same as other word but that has a different spelling and meaning. तो होमोफोन्स कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन तो बिल्कुल सेम होती है जैसे कि दूसरे वर्ड की होती है, राइट? बट उनके जो मीनिंग्स हैं वो बिल्कुल अलग होते हैं एक दूसरे से, राइट? सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वर्ड्स आर दे. सो हियर आर सम होमोफोन्स. कुछ होमोफोन्स हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. लेट्स रीड देम. सो दिस allowed, in a loud voice. Allowed, granted, permission. Correct? So, अब इन दोनों वर्ड्स के ही कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दिए गए हैं. So they are, please speak a bit aloud. He has been allowed to go home. तो हमें समझ आया कि इस allowed का मतलब होता है जोर से बोलना, राइट? और इस अलाउड का मतलब होता है किसी को परमिशन देना, राइट? सो आपने देखा कि दोनों ही वर्ड्स की स्पेलिंग्स अलग हैं, मीनिंग्स अलग हैं, बट उनकी जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो कहीं ना कहीं बिल्कुल सेम है. नेक्स्ट, बाय एंड बाय. नाउ दिस बाय इज अ प्रेपोजिशन. ये एक प्रेपोजिशन है. ये जो बाय है इसका मतलब होता है परचेज, यानी कि किसी चीज को खरीदना, right? So now let us read the examples. They say, Great Expectation is a novel written by Charles Dickens. And Raj wants to buy a bike, right? Next, it's a flower and flower. So this flower is that part of a plant that produces seed, यानी कि एक फूल, right? Next is flour, पाउडर मेड फ्रॉम ग्रेन, जिसे हम आटा बोलते हैं, राइट? गेहूं को पीस के जो पाउडर बनता है उसको भी हम फ्लावर बोलते हैं. नाउ लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द सेंटेंसेस. द ट्यूलिप इज अ ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर एंड वी यूज फ्लावर फॉर मेकिंग bread, right? Now, moving ahead, we have the next word, that is hair and hair, right? So hair is the thread-like growth of the human head. So hair we all know, right? कि पतले से threads जो कि human के head पर grow करते हैं. And this hair is rabbit-like animal. ये hair होता है rabbit के जैसा दिखने वाला एक animal, right? Let's have a look on the sentences. Nisha has smooth hair. And this hair means the hare was very proud of his fast speed. Next, moving ahead, we have heal and heal. Now, what is the meaning of this heal? It means to make healthy. यानी कि किसी चीज से रिकवरी होना, राइट? किसी चीज का ठीक होना. This heel means the hind part of the foot. हमारे पैर का जो hind part यानी कि जो एड़ी होती है उसको हम heel बोलते हैं, right? The sentences are, the wound is not yet healed and he crushed the flower under his heel. Correct? Next, meet and meet. Now, what does these meet means? So first meet means get together, यानी कि मिलना, right? And this meat is the edible flesh of animals. Animals की जो flesh होती है, right? उसे हम meat बोलते हैं. So this meat means they will meet in the park, correct? And this meat means she is a vegetarian. She does not take meat, right? Next, it's new and new. So now this new means fresh, यानी ताजा, correct? And this new means past tense of the verb know. Know यानी कि पता होना और पता होने का जो पास्ट फॉर्म है वो ये है, न्यू, राइट? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द सेंटेंसेस. शी इज wearing a new sari today. And the next one is Raj knew everything about Sohan. Correct? Next, the word is peace and peace. So this peace means state of freedom from war. यानी कि शांति बनाए रखना, right? And this piece means part of a solid subject, यानी किसी चीज का टुकड़ा, correct? So let's have a look on the sentences. All kinds of development take place only in peacetime. And he took a big piece of cake, right? Now, next thing that we have is homonyms. अब ये homonyms क्या है? Let's find out. So, a homonym are words that sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. अब होमोनिम्स कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो कि एक जैसे साउंड तो करते हैं बट उनके जो मीनिंग्स और स्पेलिंग्स हैं वो बिल्कुल अलग होते हैं. Here are some homonyms. अब यहाँ पर कुछ होमोनिम्स हैं. So they are can and can. यहाँ पर can एक मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी है टू एक्सप्रेस एबिलिटी, यानी कि किसी काम को करने की क्षमता को जब हमें दिखाना होता है, जैसे कि शी कैन डांस वेरी वेल, कि वो डांस कर सकती है, दिस इज हर एबिलिटी, राइट? सो यहाँ पर ये जो कैन है ये एक मॉडल है, राइट? एंड दिस कैन इज अ मेटल कंटेनर. ये एक मेटल का कंटेनर है. कोल्ड ड्रिंक कैन, जूस कैन जो होते हैं वो वाला कैन, राइट? Let's have a look on the sentences. It is, I can drive a car. The milk is very heavy. Next word we have bat and bat. Now what are these types of bat? So this bat means a type of bird. ये bat एक तरीके की bird के लिए use किया गया है. Next is bat, a type of wooden thing, right? तो इस बैट का मतलब है एक वुडन चीज, यानी कि लकड़ी की कोई चीज बनाना. सो नेक्स्ट इज सेंटेंसेस. सो दिस बैट ओनली फ्लाइज एट नाइट. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज यू हैव टू हिट द बॉल विद अ बैट, राइट? नेक्स्ट, वुड and wood. Now, this wood means jungle, that means the forest, right? And this wood means hard part of the tree which the branches are made of. तो wood यानी कि ये जो wood है ये tree का जो branches होते हैं, जो wood होता है उसके लिए use किया गया है. Sentences are, he saw a tiger while passing through a wood. Next, this furniture is made of wood, right? Next, lift and lift. This lift means to raise a higher position, right? And the other lift means a machine to carry people and up and down. So ये lift का मतलब हो गया कि किसी चीज को उठाना. एंड दिस लिफ्ट मीन्स एक मशीन जो कि बिल्डिंग्स में होती है, जो हमें एक फ्लोर से दूसरे फ्लोर पर लेकर जाती है. एंड द सेंटेंसेस आर, रवि कैन लिफ्ट 100 kg easily. Next, we went to the 8th floor of the building by lift. Correct? Next, it's might and might. Correct? So, might means power, यानी ताकत, and this might means used to show possibility. ये might भी एक मॉडल है जो कि possibility दिखाने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. And the sentences are, he used all his might to get things done. और इस might का मतलब इस might का सेंटेंस है, it is cloudy, it might rain today. right? Next, the words are present and present. So, the next word is present and present. This present means gift. यानी कि तोहफा किसी को आप गिफ्ट कर रहे हो, right? The next present means being in a particular place. यानी कि एक particular place पर होना है, उस जगह पर मौजूद होना, right? The sentences are, he gave me a beautiful present on my birthday. And the next one, very few children were present in the park. Correct? Next, the word is watch and watch. This watch means to pay attention or look at something happening. तो इस वॉच का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को अटेंशन देना, राइट? या फिर लुक एट समथिंग हैपनिंग, राइट? किसी चीज को देखना, किसी चीज को होते हुए देखना. वॉच, a type of small clock that you wear on your arm, right? एक वॉच जो हम अपने आर्म पर पहनते हैं. Now we have sentences which are, he was happy to watch the children playing in the park, right? Next, watch means, what is the time by your watch? Correct? Now, next, it's ring and ring. This ring means an ornament, यानी कि एक jewelry, right? जो हम अपने fingers में पहनते हैं. Next is ring. That means like a doorbell, right? जो हमारे घर के दरवाजों पे जो बेल लगी होती है, that is known as ring also. Sentences are, my ring is made of gold and I ring the doorbell. Correct? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the vocabulary and you all got to know a lot more new words from this chapter, right? So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.